Welcome to my YouTube channel Motivational Trends. Today we will share a story naming $2 2 ideas. When we share dollars, what is the impact on the personalities, and when we share our ideas, our observations, our experiences with the others, what is the impact on the others and ourselves? We will know about in this video, so stay connected with our YouTube channel Motivational Trends. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulihil Kareem. Me is Khan Ghulam Mustafa Baloch, and you are watching our YouTube channel Motivational Trends, hoping so that you will be well and happy. Once Abraham Lincoln said, "If I had a dollar and you had a dollar, and we exchanged the dollars, we would still have a dollar each. But if I have an idea and you have an idea, and if we exchange them with each other, we will both have two ideas." So keep sharing your experiences, observations, and thoughts about life. Maybe your idea will make a difference in someone's life and fill the color in it. In the end of today's talk, we may say that by sharing our experiences, observations, and thought with the others, it can enhance the mental approach the others. They can enlighten their lives by our experiences, our knowledge, and our our thought. This can change their lives, and when a man have many more ideas, he can apply the idea in his life, and this can change his life. So we should try our best to share our knowledge, our experiences, our thoughts with the others, so that the others can change their lives by the help of these ideas. So try to share your knowledge, and this can enlighten the world. Thanks for being with us. So stay connected and subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon so may get the notifications of our new videos. If you like this video, please share and give your comments in the comment box. Have us in your prayers. It is yours, Khan Ghulam Mustafa Baloch.